This is the SCFM Interactive Calculator, which converts between actual and standard cubic feet per minute for compressed gas flow calculations. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: ACFM to SCFM flow rate at actual conditions, SCFM to ACFM flow rate at standard conditions, mass flow rate from SCFM, calculate correction factor, compressor free air delivery FAD, and compare different standards. For this demo, I'm using ACFM to SCFM. The input fields are ACFM in cubic feet per minute, actual pressure in PSIA, actual temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, standard pressure in PSIA, standard temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, and gas density at standard in pounds per cubic foot. For our example, I'll enter 150 ACFM, 90 PSIA actual pressure, 95 degrees Fahrenheit actual temperature, keeping the defaults of 14.7 PSIA standard pressure, 68 degrees standard temperature, and 0.0752 pounds per cubic foot gas density. After clicking Calculate, we get our primary result of 873.66 SCFM. The secondary result shows a correction factor of 5.8244. Additional outputs include the mass flow rate at 65.699 pounds per minute for air, plus the converted temperatures, 554.7 degrees Rankine actual and 527.7 degrees Rankine standard. This calculator streamlines your compressed air system calculations. Find the link in the description below.